Are you looking for the best welding helmets under $100? In this video we will look at some of the best welding helmets under $100 on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Antra AH6-260-0000. This inexpensive welding helmet has multiple layers of filtration to block out harmful UV rays. In addition to the auto-darkening filter, the helmet has a passive UV blocker. It remains at level 13 to provide a wide range of overall darkness levels. There's a total of 4 sensors used. They are strategically placed on the helmet to ensure that the system is getting accurate readings regardless of what position you're working in. The sensors also work to minimize false triggers. The helmet operates well outdoors in full sunlight and in darker workshops with artificial lighting. The equipment can even detect low-power TIG arcs that are less than 2 amps. Number 2. DEKOPRO. With a price tag that's considerably less than $100, this helmet is great for those who don't want to spend a ton of money. Even with its lower costs, the unit does a pretty good job at protecting your eyes. The auto-darkening lens can get as dark as level 16. Plus, it has an active safety feature that automatically goes to that darkest level if it experiences an electrical issue. This is a nice perk that can provide you with some peace of mind on the job. Inside the helmet, you'll see some simple knob controls. These can be used to adjust the exterior sensors and fine-tune the performance of the lens. There's even a test button to make sure that things are running smoothly before you start welding. In terms of design, this helmet looks great. It comes in a handful of unique color schemes. You won't be covered as much as you would with other models, but the large window can help improve your visibility in tight spots. Number 3. Antra AH7-860-0000. Here's another competitively priced helmet from Antra. Like the previous Antra model on this list, this version uses an extra passive filter to provide a wider darkness range. It can get as low as level 4 or as high as level 13. The biggest difference with this helmet is the size of the viewing window. It's just under 4 inches wide, making it considerably larger than what you'd usually find with low-cost helmets. The bigger window improves visibility quite a bit. Plus, it can be used by those who wear glasses. The window's auto-darkening feature can be adjusted with the control panel inside. Just below the window, you'll find a collection of simple knobs to control sensitivity and delay. There's also a switch to change into grind mode and choose between high or low darkness levels. Number 4. Jackson Safety Insight. When it comes to flexibility, this cost-efficient helmet from Jackson Safety has it in spades. One of the most noticeable features of this option is the size. It's relatively thinner than some other helmets you'll find on the market. This is to make things easier when you need to work in tight spots. The thinner profile allows you to approach your project from virtually any angle. Beyond the shape, the helmet also has some flexible performance settings as well. The auto-darkening lens can be adjusted with the digital control panel inside. All it takes is a press of a button to change sensitivity levels and delay. You can see all of the changes you made on the LCD screen. The helmet is pretty comfortable to wear. The ratchet-controlled strap encircles the top of your head. There's also an additional strap that goes over the top of the head to create a custom fit.